Fixing the error that says save data corrupted is actually quite easy, and I'll show you how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, we need to ensure that our controller is connected. We see the light, we know that's connected. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to go to settings. On the settings, we want to go to save data and game app settings. Here we want to choose the console and that we have the settings for the save data for the console we have. So we go to PS5. When we download and delete, because I don't have a PlayStation Plus, I can't access it. But once you download it, if it says data is corrupted, you're gonna delete and re-download it. If you're still having the problem, then I'm gonna encourage you to shut down your console and we're gonna boot in safe mode. Now in safe mode, what we want to do is after the console is off, we want to press and hold the power button till we hear 2 beeps. Once we hear that 2 beeps, we know we are currently in safe mode, and we want to connect the controller to the console using the cable. Once we do that, we press the PS button and we're going to navigate to clear cache and reboot database, and here we're going to reboot the database. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.